But the press, I still accuse you of unfaithfulness and wickedness. Instead of telling the world the truth, you decided to promote Nnamdi Kanu's faction, and you refused to tell the world what happened. What is wrong? The truth must be known. There's nothing to hide. We were together before, but he was excommunicated. Simple. It is there. The letters are there. Letter of excommunication is there. The company registered is there. The documents are there. So these two different things. So right now there's a confusion. When you talk about IPOB, people think of Nnamdi Kanu. No. That is the original IPOB of the elders, which I represent. I'm their spokesman now. So some people say, well, since Nnamdi has taken your brainchild, leave